So now we're going to look at a real life repair strategy on Qualcomm. So this is a position we actually had and you can follow it through our trade alerts. So in November 2015 we effectively owned 200 shares of Qualcomm of 56.28. So you can see what happened to share price since. By January 2016 it got down as low here as 42.50. So it was down 24% at one stage and it recovered pretty quickly here. And at about 49.19, the share price was down 12.6%. So at that stage, we decided to implement a repair strategy. Although we felt that Qualcomm was a $60 stock, we felt that the news at the time was so negative surrounding the company that in the short to medium term, that the likelihood of Qualcomm trading at $60 was low and that it was more likely to trade in and around 52.50. So we implemented a repair strategy with a new target price of 52.50, and we felt that that was achievable by about May. So from about 4 to 5 months away from February, we felt that we could get to 52.50 and walk away from this position at a small profit. So we'll discuss that in later slides.